So, fermenting tomatoes. We're going to squish some nice big juicy ripe red tomatoes. We're just going to, if I can get my hand in the jar, we're just going to squish them in the jar. We've done this before. It's one of our favourite ways of preserving a large amount of tomatoes. It uses no heat, no energy, and it preserves all the nutrients and vitamins and probiotics in the tomato. We'll check back on this jar tomorrow, and that is going to produce a fantastic jar of tomato sauce which will keep for at least a year. It's 2 days since we squished all these beautiful tomatoes into the jar. Let's see how they're doing. So we're going to open it. Oh, a little bit of air pressure going on there. Oh yeah, there's plenty of bubbling going on. They're starting to ferment. They haven't got properly active just yet, but they're certainly started. And we'll put this jar of lacto-fermented tomatoes away for another day, and we'll come back and stir it again tomorrow. So 3 days have passed since we squished the tomatoes. Gonna give it a stir. Got some good fermentation going there. Give it a good vigorous stir, and we'll put it away for another day. It's risen up quite a lot in the jar, which is why we leave so much space at the top. Now let's open it and see what's going on. Oh, got a good puff of air. Oh, it is certainly pretty active. We've been fermenting this jar of tomatoes for just over a week now. We've been stirring them every day. They've been bubbling and frothing and fermenting beautifully. We're going to put these tomatoes through the mouly. We're going to add some salt, and then we're going to bottle them. We're going to give the tomatoes a quick stir before we put them in the mouly. This is just to take out the seeds and skins, really. Keep turning this, keep turning the handle on the mouly, and it will push all the tomatoes through the sieve. I love doing this. It's so satisfying to see all that tomato juices and flesh come out of the tomatoes that we have grown and then fermented. So this fermented sauce is going to go into the bottle with some salt and black pepper. We will use it over the winter months when we don't have fresh tomatoes. Anything where tomatoes are used, we can use fermented tomato sauce to add flavour and nutrients to our dinner. I think we will leave it there for now. I'm going to scrape these bits off the bottom of the mouly. So, I have some good quality sea salt here. And we want about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. We're going to give this a good stir, dissolve the salt and mix in the black pepper. I've got a clean bottle here, so hopefully I'm not going to make a mess. And we finish off the bottle with a little layer of oil just to sit on the top and create a seal. We'll just put the lid on loose so that any gas which develops from fermentation, any further fermentation, can escape. A cracking bottle for the winter, for the store cupboard, for the larder, for the pantry. Check back for more fermentation ideas. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.